So on our second day there, we're on our hike and we're about halfway through what is described as an aggressive start. And we're dying. And we passed this couple on the trail and the guy asked us if we're going to the waterfall and we're like, yeah. And he's like, oh man, you guys got a long way to go. It's like, okay, all right, thanks man. That's really deflating, but thank you. For the rest of the hike, I was not worried about how far we had to go. I was just worried about putting one foot in front of the other and just keep stepping. Just struck me as a really good analogy for where we're at right now. You know, long way to go.
Sour.